So it's only been 2 years since we made the garden and we made these planter beds, the raised planter beds. That's in another video up here if you want to see it. I don't know, I don't think they held up too well. So we took the garden apart and we're going to rebuild. So it was all nice and shiny and fresh and clean, and there was nice dirt with landscape cloth. There's a place for cucumbers to grow, and a door, and I know everything, don't I? Well, guess what? I didn't know anything. This is only 2 years later, and we're taking it down and starting over again. So the squirrels were digging in the garden because we had it too close to the fence. So we moved it over here. So these planter beds were made from some pallet wood that we found out behind a factory, put them all together. They were inexpensive, and you know, you sort of planned on them disintegrating after a couple of years. This is only 2 years. And see, here's the hardware cloth. It's rusted. So we're still going to reuse them though. I mean, they'll hold dirt. So last time we made the wrong mixture of dirt. So what did you get this time, Tracy the gardener?
We got mushroom compost, premium topsoil, all-purpose plant food, fertilizer, vermiculite, and peat moss.
We're going to put down landscaping cloth.
Fabric. Put it in the planters and let it sit a couple days, 2-3 days before you put your seeds in so it can settle. Oh, look it, there's a frog.
Oh, did you get him?
Let him move. Go. Look it. Get him. Get him. We put it down, but you don't put it all the way to the side.
This is what you learned before, huh?
Yeah, you don't put it all the way up, because then it'll get too wet. So you just want to put it, if you're doing a stand-up garden, you just put it up like an inch on the side.
Which one are we doing first?
We do the topsoil first. And then the white one.
Mushroom compost here?
Yeah.
How much? Half a bag?
Like a fourth maybe. There you go.
What do you want next?
Chicken one.
Chicken poo.
Okay.
That smells
Yeah.
pungent.
And you just kind of sprinkle it around. Then the peat moss, grab some and break it up so there's like a full layer over all your other stuff that's in here.
What do I do next? Vermiculite?
The vermiculite, yeah.
Helps retain nutrients and moisture.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, now that it's all in there.
What's in here?
Then you mix it all up. All we did last time is topsoil and compost, and
Oops.
it didn't really, it got really hard. Like it absorbed it didn't, what do you call it? Leak through? Seep through?
See, so you can kind of pack it like that.
Yep. So then you don't have to water it all the time.
It looks delicious.
It is.
For
So-
plants.
There, and then that's deep enough.
So we are at the community garden where all the professional gardeners are here, and they have all got different, techniques to fence in their garden. So these guys put up chicken wire, and these guys have some type of, it's just bigger wire. Okay, and then over on this side, these guys have this deer netting. It's smaller, so I can kind of fit my finger through that. But then on the other side, they put bigger nettings. And then the chicken wire's on the inside. And I also noticed they're putting these ribbons up. So there's ribbons up over here, and they got ribbons up over there. That might, scare away the birds or something. And then also I wanted to come see the dirt. So this is, here's the kind of dirt that they have. You see that? I mean, it's almost clay-like, but boy, it smells good. I'm sure this has been cultivated. But so here's a quick lesson on how the pros do it, huh? Okay, so we decided that we're gonna put these posts in the corners like this and hook up some netting or fencing to these posts. We're gonna put the old hinges back on the old door. Ooh. Ah. So we got some of the framing up. Look at it. It rained. So this is after a couple of rains. It's holding up pretty good. Now some of the stuff we're gonna get seeds, right?
Yeah.
Grow your own popcorn.
I got the Roma kind. What kind do you like?
The kind that you eat and put on a sandwich. Is that the kind?
This kind is good.
What's that one?
It's a sugar rush.
Oh no. Cool. Sneeze weed, beard tongue. I think that he's making these names up. So we soak these for a couple of days so they can get ready for the garden. Where the professionals were doing the garden, they had the chicken wire up first and then the deer fence. So we're gonna do chicken wire first, then the deer fence. We're gonna bend a little bit into the ground, okay? So hopefully the squirrels don't come in. Are you having a good time down there? Oh. Yes, he's having a good time. Now we're gonna put on the deer fence. Ready, set, go. All right, do you want me to get a little shovel? 6 seed potatoes. Cucumbers are gonna go here.
Yeah.
Here's a bell pepper.
I can go in the pepper. I got 3, so it can go in the 1.
Now the tomato?
Yeah. Usually I only get 2.
Oh my God, we got 4 tomatoes.
That's carrot.
So we've been soaking the seeds.
But make sure you got them all in one area.
Well, they're right there a little bit. Radishes. Should I dump them into my hand?
Yeah.
What, just dump a couple in here like this? Okay.
Duke. He doesn't know how to get in.
Doogie, come here.
Over here. Over here.
Over here.
Come in. Okay, now potatoes. 1, 2, 3.
Peppers? 3 peppers.
Put it with that green pepper. Okay.
You got beans.
Yeah, those will go in the middle. That's a purple one.
Cucumber.
Now we do tomatoes.
Tomato cages.
You kind of got to mold it a little bit there. And then when they grow, you tie them up.
So there you go. Everything's all planted and ready to go. And we'll keep you updated as the summer progresses. And thanks for watching.